to start The Brothers Karamazov for the second time in my life. The last time I read it was in 2023 December, and I finished it in January of the next year, which was 2024. So it has been more than a year since I've read a Dostoevsky, and I decided to pick up this translation. I think this is the latest translation. It is by Michael R. Katz. The first time around, I read from the Penguin Black edition of this book, which was translated by David Macduff, and honestly, I really loved it. Yes, I still want to read the Pivot translation, and I will. I'm hoping that for my next reread, I will pick up that translation. But for now, I want to read this translation. First of all, this is a gorgeous copy. I love it. Like it's really huge, like compared to the Black Penguin. It is like, this is a chunky book, but this is huge. Like, this is my face and this it's, let me just show you. Like, this is what it looks like. I don't know where about other places, but from where I am, this edition was really expensive. So I'm really lucky that my sister gifted it to me, or else I would not have been able to afford it. So far, I've read a few pages. I think I've read 50 pages so far of this book, and from what I can see, this reads like a very modern translation. Like, you don't feel like you're reading a classic. It feels like a contemporary book, which can be a good thing, especially for people who are scared of classics or scared of chunky classics or Russian classics, which are almost always chunky. And it's from what I can see so far, it reads very quickly. You can make your way through it quite quickly compared to this one. Like, this particular edition, this particular book took me more than a month to read the first time around, and I've already read 50 pages of this. Just today I've read 50 pages, even though the pages are quite broad, which can be a good thing. You can easily make your way through it. It's not very hard to understand what is happening. Like, if you have read Russian classics before, you know the beginning especially of a Russian classic can be quite confusing, considering there's so many characters, and the characters have so many different names. It can be quite mind-boggling. But this time around, I don't know if it's because I have read it before, so I know what to expect. But my progress has been really quick, and in fact, I'm really hoping to make my way through this within the week. Like, I don't know if that is too ambitious, but I really want to make my way through this. I want to kind of binge read it and not like drag it out for the entire month. And I think this book is in a total literally has like full 900 pages, and the Penguin edition had, so this was slightly okay. So this has like almost 1,000 pages. This edition is really close to my heart. I kind of miss reading it, but I wanted to try. Whenever I'm rereading Russian classics, I like to try out different translations. So I'll keep you updated on the progress.